Hello, I'm Maureen De La Cruz, co-founder and CEO of Reelist8, and I want to know, have you ever tried finding a new home or selling one? It's like navigating a giant maze with the big hairy spider at every turn. And that spider, my friends, is outdated information, illegal agents, slow manual processes, and listings platforms that get hacked. Well, what if I told you there's a solution that lets you say goodbye to the spiders and hello to your new home in just 8 clicks? Welcome to Reelist8, the next generation marketplace for everything real estate, connecting our verified buyers to their dream homes, home loans, furniture, and decor that match their vibe. It has fun reels, messaging and contracts management, and even calendar appointments, all in one super app that combines prop tech with shoppertainment. And for our brokers, you have so many listings already on file? With Reelist8, you can even upload your Excel files in bulk, and users will see your photos and videos immediately, making buying and selling properties as easy as ordering food online. So, you ready to join the future of real estate? Get your free account at Reelist8 today and scroll your way home with us at reelist8.com.